In every corner of the world, a simple red can hides a quiet mystery. A mystery most people taste, but never question. Why does Coca-Cola change from country to country? To uncover the truth, we travel back to Atlanta, where behind heavily secured doors and layers of secrecy, a single formula is guarded like a global treasure. Here, the legendary Coca-Cola concentrate is created, a recipe so confidential only a handful of people know its true identity. Once this secret syrup leaves Atlanta, its journey becomes far less predictable. Across continents and oceans, it arrives at bottling plants, each one operating under different conditions, different resources, and different tastes. And this is where the transformation begins. In the United States, high fructose corn syrup gives Coke its signature sweetness. But in Mexico, the same drink is crafted with pure cane sugar, creating a smoother, more nostalgic flavor. Yet the story doesn't end with sweetness. The very water used to mix the syrup, drawn from local sources, carries its own character. Minerals, purity, texture, each region's water leaves a subtle fingerprint on every bottle. And then comes the final layer, carbonation. Different cultures prefer different levels of fizz, some crisp and energetic, others lighter and softer. So the next time you sip a Coke abroad and notice something unusual, remember this: the drink may be global, but its taste is shaped by the world itself.